Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to disable auto update of apps in Play Store on Android phone. So let's see. But before we dive into tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your Play Store. So I'm going to simply click on here to open my Play Store. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on your profile icon. Then the next thing you need to do is to go to settings. Then from setting right here, simply scroll down and then come to network preferences. Then go to auto update apps. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on don't auto update apps. So click on here and it's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to disable auto update of apps in Play Store. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.